Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Ko Ineos Grendaier in Framingham, Massachusetts, we have the 2024 Ineos Grenadier long wheelbase station wagon Fieldmaster. So this one here is your Trailmaster. That one there is your Quartermaster, and then from there you can build them, add on options as you want. Oh, so cool. B58 engine, ZF8 speed. I'm trying to see, metallic paint silver. You have the ladder on the back, your safari windows, which I will get into. So you open this. Aha! Okay, and then you do, I'm assuming, bingo. Plenty of storage back here. Oh, power outlet, cool. And then this is, I'm assuming, your, yep, emergency triangle, stuff like that. There we go, that's set. Do this first. Perfect. Awesome. Sticker price on this one, that is not bad at all. $84,185. Paint warranty 3 years, 60,000. Basic is your 5 year, 60,000. Rust warranty 12 years. Here's what's pretty darn cool. To prevent rust and issues there, I didn't watch him how he did. There we go. Your battery and all your fuse box is here, where this is sealed. So it's not under the car or in the engine bay where you have to worry about rust, corrosion, stuff like that. It is all right in, that's not, come on. There, don't go. I should have watched the salesperson do this a little bit better. There you go, good job. But here is where things get pretty darn cool. Here are your safari windows, just pop open like so. Recaro leather seats. Oh yes, check this out. And now you do have drains in the floors. I wouldn't take a hose to any of this, but it is waterproof. If you leave these open and it rains, it's waterproof. Your downhill descent control, ESC off, your interior lights. You have your level for the headlights in case you're towing, which this can tow 7,700 pounds. All your weighting, off-road modes, and here is your rear power and some of the extra switches, 500 amps for a winch. And just check out how cool, oh, and just how durable everything in here is. Oh, I did want to show you one Easter egg that I noticed, and that, obviously you have the Ineos badge on this side, Grenadier on the hood. You have a British/German flag on the fender. So cool. Because this is British and German engineering put together to make something pretty darn cool. I'm sure you guys have heard the story of how these were founded. Guy went to order a Defender, Land Rover cut him off. He wanted to buy the rights to the Defender. Land Rover told him no, so he's like, fine, I'll build one better. Kind of sounds familiar to the start of Lamborghini, does it not? You do have, in case you want to be nice, a little 2-button and your full horn. First time I have ever seen that in a car. Pretty darn cool. Your cruise controls all right there. To change, it is full-time 4x4 high. You can sit there and change your what's it called? Range box, center lockers, all that fun stuff there. Your home, your off-road mode. It does have, you know, if you have gloves on, stuff like that, you can use this center control. Oh, tire temperatures, gearbox temps, all that fun stuff. I like that. Cool. So I think without further ado, I think it's time to take this thing for a little ride. See how she does. You do have a backup camera that comes up here. There you go there. And then manual mode. Cool, let's go for a drive of the Ineos Grendaier. I like this a lot, actually. You do have your seat heating all right here. Everything is just really, it's so, I thought this would be extremely overcomplicated looking at everything. It's not. It is all very intuitive, very easy to use. The Safari windows are awesome. Obviously you do have CarPlay, all that fun stuff there. Do love the steering wheel. Maybe a little more AC. I'm trying not to have the fan blowing full speed for video, but I'm sorry, I'm hot. You're probably sitting at home on your couch or at work in the AC, so I win. Okay, that's impressive. Hey, I think I found one purpose for the Safari windows. You can stick your head out and see the traffic lights if you're a little too tall like I am. I just love... I've always been a fan of Defenders. I've always been a fan of Wranglers. And what this does has combined both of those cars in a perfect way. That's what I need. Let's put the zone down. Do have a compass with altitude and degrees magnitude, not Fahrenheit. This is all so so cool. And so you might be sitting here thinking, okay, why isn't your gauge cluster immediately in front of you? There's a very good reason for that, and I don't think you may have been thinking about that. It's for visibility. The fact is, when you're off-roading, you kind of need visibility. You need to be able to see where you are, where your wheels are, where you're going. I was completely lost there for a second, just trying to get myself back to where I needed to be, and that's why I was a little bit silent. But now that I've figured out where I am, we are good. Oh, I love this thing. I absolutely love this thing. Visibility's good. It's refreshing to see, you know, a new manufacturer make something as cool as this. And some of the complaints that people have had that I've read is the powertrain. It doesn't have enough power. I don't care. That's not what it's meant to do. And I think they're wrong. This has plenty of power, and I just stepped out of a GT4, although that's not known as a horsepower car. We don't care. This is really good. Really good. I love it. I absolutely love it. For $84,000 too? That's pretty impressive. It is pretty darn impressive. Actually drives really well, even at highway freeway speeds. I was a little unsure about that. overall, I'm pretty impressed with this car. I went into it not knowing what to think, not knowing the Grenadier, not ever sitting in one, and I'm very, very, very impressed. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you to Ko Ineos Grendaiers for allowing me to film this vehicle. I know, we'll see you all in the next one.